Welcome to Yeeflow Data List tutorial series. Today, we'll be guiding you through the essentials of managing your data lists, from adding new items to deleting those you no longer need. You can add a new item to a data list if you have editor permissions or higher in the application you are working in. To add a new item, just click the New Item button from the top right of your data list. The New Item Adding page will show up as a pop-up window with the default page layout. You can input values to related fields and click OK button to add this new item to the data list. You can view an item of a data list to see its details and perform actions on it. To view an item of a data list, find the item you want to view in the data list and click on the item to open its details page. By default, the detail page will show as a right sidebar pop-up window. You will see all the fields and values of the item, as well as any attachments, comments, etc. You can also edit it by clicking the blue Edit Item button from the top right of the detail page. Click this button to open the item's editing page. Here, you can change items as needed, and click OK to save your changes. The three form layouts for adding, viewing, and editing can also be personalized for a more customized experience. To do this, click on More Settings, choose List Settings, then select Forms. Under the Forms tab, you can edit the existing form or add a custom list form to change the layout. In the Display Settings tab, set the forms for New Item, Edit Item, and View Item. You can also change the way it opens. Pop-up window. A small pop-up window will appear when clicked. Slide in. A right sidebar window will appear when clicked. Full page. A new full page will appear when clicked. When you choose pop-up window or slide in, you can adjust the window size to small, medium, large, or default. Alternatively, open it in full screen. To delete an existing item, find the item you want to delete in the data list and click on the item to open its details page. You can find the Delete button in red from the top right of the detail page. Click the OK button from the pop-up confirmation dialog to delete this item. To delete multiple items, click each one or check the box at the top of the table to select all on the page. Once you've selected the records you want to delete, you can find the Delete button from the top right of the data list. Confirm the number of items to be deleted in the confirmation pop-up window. Please note, once an item is deleted, it will be deleted permanently from your account, so please double-check to make sure you are deleting the right items. And that's how you manage items in Yeeflow's data list. With these tools, you can ensure your lists are always up to date and organized. For more detailed walkthroughs, visit the Yeeflow Help Center. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.